In today's video, we are going to elevate this bedroom. We are going to go from this to this, just buying very few items, complementing what's already there and enhancing this bedroom with tiny improvements, a DIY headboard. Stay tuned to watch the transformation. This is a very blank bedroom. All of the walls are white, but it was furnished. The furniture is very basic. The bed is quite high and has drawers underneath. It's from IKEA. The nightstands are actually very inexpensive storage units. Not even sure where they are from, but as you can see, one of them is taller than the other. The very first easy adjustment that made a big difference was to make them even by adding very inexpensive feet to the unit on the right side of the bedroom, because you can't see it when you enter the bedroom anyways, and making the nightstands symmetrical with the same height made a huge difference already. The bedroom already had curtains and they are a beautiful water green sage color, so I chose to really lean into this detail and purchase a pair of table lamps matching this really nice color, as well as a little storage basket that fit in one of the units. Next, I updated the hardware on the bed drawers. Finding these sleek handles, this golden brass detail pairs really nicely with the lamps and the arched mirror that I purchased. Time to upgrade the bedding. Upgrading your bedding is going to have such a big impact on your bedroom, especially if you've got a mismatch of old bedding. I went for a brownish beige tiny gingham pattern and it instantly elevates the bedroom, paired with very spring flowery cushions I already had on hand. Moving on to the DIY of this video, making a headboard. I went on Facebook Marketplace and found this tacky and out of fashion headboard, but it was the exact dimensions I needed and it was 20 bucks. So all I had to do is to shop for some fabric, and good thing I'm a seamstress because I knew exactly what to shop for. You want to get fairly sturdy and stable fabric for a headboard, one that is going to be stain resistant. I figured a beige would pair really nicely with all of the different elements you just saw for this bedroom. Having a headboard makes a huge difference. It is so much more comfortable to lean against this wall, to read a book or watch some YouTube at the end of the day, and the wall otherwise would be really cold and just not comfortable. You saw me remove the back of the headboard, and that is because I was trying to get rid of the buttons. I wasn't sure they were going to show once I would staple the fabric on. It would have been too tricky and too time consuming to remove the leather layer, so I chose to keep it and just wash it thoroughly, and that helped get rid of a faint lingering smell. After what felt like a million staples went on, I cut the excess fabric. You want to staple symmetrically, you want tension but not too much tension, and like any other DIY, you're gonna get better at it the more you do it. Wow, c'est magnifique. And this is how I transformed this bedroom. I really like the idea of keeping as many existing things as possible, especially if you're in a rental, if it's furnished. Work with what you have. Try to come up with creative improvements like updating the hardware of your furniture, adding lamps, a frame on the wall, creating a headboard. Et voila, you have a super refreshed bedroom that you get to enjoy without spending much money, but with a big impact. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you in my next one, so make sure to subscribe and I will see you then. Bye guys.